So let's build a brush from scratch. I'm gonna go back to black here, and I can delete this. And anytime that you want to create a new brush, you just go to this plus sign. Real quick, if you want to go and create a new brush set, you would just pull down on the brush set panel and say plus, and then new set. Of course, new set. There we go. Go to that new set, make sure you're on it, and then you have your new brush. So this does come up with kind of like an airbrush-y style, but the shape is solid. So this is just your opacity properties. So it does have a standard that it sets you up with. You can see that for the most part, the settings are pretty simple. Apple Pencil, there's no size changes, it's just opacity, so that you have the lighter and then the heavier when you apply pressure.